Hello guys, welcome to this video. I recommend you watch this video thousands of times and first test in demo account. Thank you for watching to this video and don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Uptrend line strategy. Look at the chart. Uptrend line strategy. One touch, two touch, after two touch, active strategy. The line is uptrend. Look at the chart. This area, this point, back price go by, and come line and back buy. Yes, this area, this point, active strategy. After two touch, I wait three touch. Yes, this point, go by. One touch and back price, two touch and back price, three touch is position. Yes, this point, one touch, price touch line and go by, back price. Yes, this point is a two touch and back price. After two touch, active strategy. Three touch is position and I open position. Open buy position. Yes, after two touch, active uptrend line strategy. This point, line is active. Price came line, touch line and go by and back price. Yes, look at the candle. Next, yes. Back price. Come line and back price. Yes, I open position to next local resistance. Continue. Yes. Take a profit and next position, four touch. This touch is four touch. Continue. Yes. Touch local resistance. This strategy take a profit. Look at here. Back price. Yes. Look at the chart. One touch, two touch, after two touch, active strategy. Three touch is position, four touch is position. I open position after two touch and buy position. Look at this line. Look at red line. Yes, uptrend line strategy. This point is one touch and back price. This point is two touch and back price. Yes, after two touch, line strategy active uptrend line strategy after two touch. Look at the candle. Next. Yes, this fed line have a two fed line and back price. The best profit is next local resistance, this point. this point. Look at the chart. Local under local resistance is take a profit. Yes, this candle take a profit. Profit, open position and take a profit. Continue. Look at the candle. Continue. Next, this candle is return price, is back candle. Yes, this fed line. This fed line, I open position and take a profit. Profit is next local resistance. Yes, take a profit. Open position, this candle is fed line candle, back candle, return candle. Yes, the best profit. Look at the chart, one touch, two touch, after two touch, active strategy. Look at this line, one touch. This line, red line, is uptrend line strategy. Open position after two touch, one touch, two touch, this red line, two touch, and a three touch, I open position. This line is active uptrend line strategy. This line is active. Wait, three touch. Next. Open position, this candle. Green candle. Open position. This area is profit, local resistance. Profit, take a profit, TP. Look at the candle, yes, take a profit. This candle, take a profit. Yes, the best position. Uptrend line strategy, take a profit. Three touch, I open position and take a profit. Look at the chart. Uptrend line strategy, one touch, two touch. After two touch, I open position. Yes, look at this line. Look at red line. Yes, uptrend line strategy. This line is uptrend line strategy. After two touch, three touch, I open position. One touch, yes, one touch, two touch, uptrend line strategy is active because have a two touch. Look at the chart. This point active strategy. Active this line after to touch. Look at the chart. I recommend watch this video thousands of times and practice. Look at the candle. Next, continue. This candle is return candle, back candle. Yes, go local resistance. This area is best profit. Yes, this area, this point. Profit, continue. Yes, take a profit. This position, take a profit. Look at the chart, one touch, two touch, after two touch, uptrend line strategy is active. Yes. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Please write your opinion about this video. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share.